Hi guys and welcome to our new video. So today we have been putting TNT all over the place for ages. Minnie, let us look at it before we set off the explosion. So this is what we've done. We've put TNT basically everywhere. Okay, so Minnie, you want to do the honors of flipping the lever?
Yes.
By the way, we all made this. Subscribe, and she will like you.
Oh.
Okay, so Minnie hit the lever. Not sure. At least this machine works. I wonder if the thing will make it. Okay, so there's going to be a bit of lag. Okay, I'm going backwards. Oh my god, look at this. You're losing it.
Bye-bye.
This is sick.
Bye-bye.
Oh my god, on Minnie's screen it's way less laggy, but I'm like right in the middle of it. I think that, Minnie, your iPad might be a bit stronger. Yes, we're doing it on Pocket Edition.
Oh!
I can't move.
I just got knocked onto another part of the world.
Teleport to me. Okay, so the lag is so terrible. Like, words cannot describe it.
Let's just do something.
This lag is like the worst I've ever seen.
Bye-bye.
Mummy, look what the TNT's doing. So, yeah.
Guys, this is not like, how is this iPad getting protected?
You do know they can't see it. They can only see my tablet. Okay, the other side's still happening.
Where is he?
I'm near the TNT. Let me just go to the new bits that it's exploding. Whoa, okay. Jesus Christ.
Can I teleport?
Sure. Minnie, you want to teleport to me, but she doesn't know cheats, so teleport to Unicorn, where... You know what, I'll teleport to you so I'm away from all the lag. It's not working. Yep, here I am. Okay, and so here's where the first explosion happened, and okay.
I want to come over to you. Please.
Is it done yet? No.
Please. Pretty please be done.
Look at the distraction.
I'm gonna swim in
look, there's still stuff going up. Heaps of stuff going up.
Good.
Okay, now you can teleport to me. Oh, you see me. Look, me. Yeah. Is it over? No, of course not. Okay, so this is like the most epic explosion I've ever seen in my life. Like, it is so super cool.
Yeah, it's super cool. Oh, now go over here, right? What are you looking at?
The explosion.
Not that bad. I'm not bad.
I think the explosion was already over ages ago, just, no, I just looked at mini screen and an explosion killed the horse, so know that it wasn't over. Okay, so of course it's not over. Whenever I think it's over, it's not. Okay. Not over yet. Now are you over? Yeah, now it's over. But oh my god, look what the explosion did.
It's so big. Why is it so big?
Jesus Christ, that's such a big explosion. Here's where the machine was.
Where are you?
Didn't handle that explosion quite nicely. So
Don't want me to you. I'm stuck in a big explosion, please.
So yeah, subscribe to my channel, otherwise I will not like you. And you do not want a YouTuber to not like you. So subscribe, like this video, and I will like you. Thank you. And see ya in the next video!
Your family is like the early people who subscribe.
The family is not the only subscribers.